Class, now through this video I am going to define you about large scale map and small scale map. I am trying to explain you what is the difference between large scale map and small scale map. Okay, although definition already I have given that large scale maps are those maps where we show small area with more details, maximum details, and small scale maps where we show a big area, a big part with lesser details. Now you need to tell me which. This is India political map, everyone knows. Okay, so now tell me, this is large scale map or the small scale map? After this I'll show you one more map. First you tell me, this is large scale map or small scale map? Check it carefully. You can see in this map what information we are getting. We are getting information of different states of India. We are getting the information of capital of each state. As you can see, Rajasthan, it is given Jaipur, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Bangalore. Okay, so we are getting information. What information we are getting from this political map of India? We are getting information about the different states and their capitals. Anything else? Yes, territories, union territories also we can see. Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli, okay, Lakshadweep, okay, Andaman Nicobar. So we are getting the information of states, capital, and union territories. This much information we are getting from this political map. So are we getting more information about India? No, we are not getting, right? Okay, so which map is this? This is small scale map. Small scale map in which we are showing a big area, like we are showing country India. Okay, we are showing big area but with less details. Okay, so small scale, name is small scale but scale is big, in which we are showing a big area with lesser details. Like we are showing India, a big country, but with lesser details, means here we are getting information only about the states, different states, and different and their capitals. That's all. Okay, so this is large scale map. Sorry, this is small scale map where we represent big area with less details. Okay.